Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can make chart in Google Sheet. So I think it's super simple. You do the data first, and as an example here I have made it data. So that's for label and that's for value. Alright, after the data is made, you are just going to select insert, select chart, and appears the option in the right, so you can select chart types you like here. For example, I'm select the pie chart, and you are just going to all right, select label, select the data range. So for label you can select here, click OK, and select value, select data range, and select the data and click OK. Alright, so the chart has been created. You can customize with this option here, and yeah, you can also change the chart types in another type like so. Alright, and you can adjust for the yeah, the title text, for example. Alright, so this is pretty simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.